Kick back and catch a vibe. We at home with Lisa. Kick back, it's a lifestyle. We at home with Lisa.
Hello and welcome to At Home with Lisa. Hi, love bugs. Welcome back to the channel. Thank you all so much for tuning in on today. Today is a very exciting day. We are in the nursery's closet. Yes, this is what the closet currently looks like. And we are going to try and do a custom closet for our new baby that is on the way. So this is going to be the nursery closet. So Mr. Smith and I have to take down that shelf and that rod. Originally, we were going to let the shelf and the rod stay, and we were just going to build under it. But we decided to take down the shelf and the rod so we could really customize it the way that we wanted to do it. Now, one thing about customizing something, it is not a set way to do it. It is what your vision is and what you want and what you want it to look like. So, this is the closet that is going to be the nursery closet, and I am so excited and so blessed to be able to create this space for the new baby that is coming, my G baby. So, without further ado, go ahead and sit back and relax, grab your drink and grab your snack and enjoy as we create this DIY custom closet, y'all. Mr. Smith has already started putting the pieces together, as you can see. Don't forget to give a thumbs up and leave me some comments down below. So Mr. Smith has already started taking out all of the screws and the nails that are attached here. And I'm just standing back and I'm just thinking, oh my goodness, when this comes down, is it going to be like some big holes? Or, I didn't know what to expect when the shelf and the rod comes down. I know for sure that as far as that rod is concerned, I do want to keep it just for the future in case we may need it for something. But the shelving, I'm sure, is probably going to be split in half and won't be able to be used again because we're not going to use it here in this space. And plus, we did purchase some more shelves as well too. So y'all just continue to watch as we demo this closet. As you all can see, it is not taking us a long time to get this closet taken down. There were a lot of little nails in here, and when I tell you all, that they had this shelf up there very secured. It was secured because they had the paste, the glue, and the nails up there as well too. Now, part of this base I think we may keep to be able to adhere the next shelves and units that we're going to use. I know we're not going to utilize the whole entire thing, but some of the base in here we are going to keep to be able to adhere what we're going to add to the space here. It's going to take a lot of smoothing and sanding out, as I can see here. I hope so far you all are enjoying this takedown or this demo of the closet. As you can see, Mr. Smith has taken all those nails out. They're very, very skinny, small nails. But he knows what he's doing, and I'm just standing back watching and taking notes here, you guys. Have you all ever demoed a closet, or have you all ever created a custom closet? Comment down below and let me know if you all have done a custom closet before. This is like the second one that we've done because we did one in our home in Alabama. At first, I wasn't going to take the door down. I was going to let the door stay. But I was thinking, okay, this door is here, and then I have all this wall space behind the door. This is just wasted space. I can utilize this space. So I decided to take the door down. So that's what you see me doing there, taking the hinges off. So we're just going to store it in the garage, and then we'll probably take it to storage. But we're not going to get rid of the door. We're just not going to use it in the nursery closet because it is a small space. And so I want to be able to utilize all of the space that we have there. So as you all can see, everything is taken down. The door is down and everything is off the wall as far as the shelves, and the rod is off of the wall as well too. So now it's time to go in and clean it and sand it and add the putty or plaster, whatever you call the stuff. It is time to add that in. And yeah, I'm not excited about this part of it. But yeah, we have to fix where we took the hinges off the door frame. We have to fix that part as well too. So y'all, let's get into sanding down these walls so we can get them fixed and painted, and so we can complete this custom closet. Thank you all so much for tuning in, and thank you all so much for watching. So Mr. Smith was giving me instructions on how to work this sander. I didn't realize that I should have been like pressing down really hard. I was just afraid. I didn't want to damage the wall. So I really wasn't pressing hard enough on it to make a difference. But I did a little bit of a, sand down, but it's not as good as it should be. I'm really not even touching the surface, y'all, to be honest with you. But I was trying. You can see the little smoothness that I'm doing, but I definitely was light touching. I wasn't pressing and giving it no strength at all. So I was trying, and Mr. Smith was saying, I'll do it. I was like, okay, let me just try it for a little while. But anyway, he's going to show y'all the correct way to do the sanding to clear this up so we could go ahead and put the pasting on and then paint it. So now you all, as you can see, I am painting. I don't know who's more excited about doing this closet, me or Mr. Smith. I kind of think he's a little bit more excited than I am because he wants to do all of it, which is great. He wants to paint, he wants to do it all, but that's good, y'all. I cannot wait for you all to see what it looks like at the end. But no, the only thing we're doing here in the video today is we are customizing the closet. The decorating and the styling of the closet is going to be a separate video. So y'all know it's going to take a minute for this paint to dry, so stay tuned. So these are the first two shelves that we have added in. Mr. Smith wants to make sure this is where I want them before he made them permanent. Now, the thing I like about these two shelves is that the shelves inside, you can move them. You can move them and adjust them to where you want them to be. And on the side, I was thinking about just adding some shelves, but I think I'm just going to add a small little caddy there. I think that's what I'm going to do. But I'm going to change these shelf inserts in a different way so I could customize it the way that we want it. So far it's looking good. We like it. And then Mr. Smith has added this unit right here. It is the hanging unit. So we're also going to go in and we're going to add some more shelving in here as well too. So yes, it is coming along beautifully. I am liking it. I'm also thinking we have so much space up top that we should add some more shelving up there just for extra storage for things that you don't have to have every day, like the overflow of Pampers, the overflow of wipes. Those type things can go up top there. But I am loving this, and we've added this smaller shelf in, as you guys can see. So basically we're just adding pieces and adding pieces, trying to customize it the way we want. So we've added that little shelf there as well too. So it's looking good, you guys. It is looking so good. I am so pleased at the way that it's looking. See all that extra space up there, you guys? So I'm thinking to add shelves up there, but not really sure. I may just let it stay. But again, here on this wall, I'm going to add like a little small caddy or some stackables there just for added storage. So you all, it is reveal time. So let's go ahead and slide on over to our nursery closet. Yes, you all, I added a piece of clothing because I wanted to make sure the hangers would work. So I am going to be using the wooden hangers in the closet to hang up the clothing. So I want the basket to go here, but then I have another space in the closet where it can go. So I need to decide on which area to put it. So this is the other area I was thinking of adding the laundry basket here as well too. So I really do like it there because it's like in a closed in space. But I'm also thinking on the other hand too that I could utilize this space for something else. So let's just wait and see. So I've gone in and added the divider hangers, and it has the different sizes in months on each wooden hanger here. So I have those throughout. But since I did this video, I have ordered some more dividers, and I ordered some that were a little bit more decorative, and they're pretty and they're perfect for this nursery closet. So you guys will see that when I do the decor and organization video for the nursery closet. But I just added those throughout. It's looking good. It's looking good, you all. Mr. Smith and myself, we are pleased with the way that it turned out, and I love it that we were able to add more shelving because storage is key. And I also love the fact that we set it up in a way that if we wanted to add things, we could add things. And if we want to take away something, we can also do that as well too. So this is the home of the laundry basket. And so here is the shelf where the rod that we added there. So now I just need to grab the shelf and put the shelf over that hanging rod. I think that the hanging rod is very essential to the space, so you don't have to, hang everything in one spot. But anyway, you guys, this is our DIY nursery closet. I hope you all enjoyed it. I hope you like it. I hope that you can take something in a positive way from this video. And please give this video a big thumbs up and leave me some comments down below. And at home with Lisa, we'll see you all in the next video. Bye bye, love bugs. See y'all in the next.
Kick back and catch a vibe. We at home.